back to my channel. This is Mimi G. I'm back for today's video, guys. I'm going to reaction again. I think this is second time around that I make reaction for that, Mission Soul, that family band, that it together with siblings. Alright, guys, actually, someone they are request this one. They said please next the title of music is Dangerous. Alright, guys, I know already, even nobody can tell to me. I know this family it's good, it's perfect, so great. Alright, guys, by the way, guys, we will listening this one, but this music I hear already that this one, but not the Mission Soul. Alright, the another band. Alright, this one is actually 2 months ago, but imagine there is 123k views. Oh my god, actually really I amazed of them because it's family, if you can see that daughter, the son, mother, father, imagine, right? Family is like, they are making bonding. And number one, that kid, really so cute. Alright, guys, by the way, guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Alright, guys, and we will listening this one and we will give also rank. I think it's good, this one, because that Dangerous is perfect. You will dance also. Alright, guys, stay tuned and play. Sabi ko na eh, I told you. Oh my god, I like that oh my god, ulala.
And into my soul, get out of my way, get out of my sight. I won't be anything. Get through the night. Hey, what's your word? What's your game? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold tight. You know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make it sweet. The eyes of a lover that hit like heat. You know she's a little bit dangerous. You turn around, so hot and dry. You're hiding under a halo. Your mouth is alive. Get out of my way. Get out of my sight. I'm not a
bata pa to ha, ang galing ng ano niya, bote. What more?
What's your game? I know business, but I don't know your name. Hold on tight. You know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hit like heat. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Just a little bit dangerous.
Galing, ang galing talaga ng family band. Yo.
What it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hit like heat. You know she's a little bit dangerous. She's extremely dangerous. She's got what it takes to make ends meet. The eyes of a lover that hit like heat. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Ooh, just a little bit dangerous.
Please dangerous. Wow! Bravo, 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 bravo. Guys, ang galing nung pamilyang to. Magtagalog tayo, guys. Nosebleed na tayo, guys. Guys, actually, this family is amazing. Really, 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 wala. You know, if you listening this one, and if you can see also, you will they're also so nice and awesome. And also the you know the mother, it's oh my god, ulala. It's a great vocal. Mother, I'm salute with you. And also that daughter and also the son. The son, it's it's also amazing. He is still young, but my god, if you can see how he make drum and action, and also the emotion, if you can see the face, my god, you will, oh my god, he's still young, but he know how to make drummer, and also guys, and also the I think mother and that the daughter is also vocalist, but it's so good, grabe, you will be amazed, napakagaling nila, guys. Mother, saluto ko sa iyo. Sana all, pati si daddy, magaling siya mag-play ng guitar. Kung maaano mo yung original na music, parang talagang hindi nalalayo, ang galing. Napaka good. Great family. Great band family. My God. Alright, guys. By the way, we will give I forgot to say it. Rock before reaction, guys. Alright. Alright, guys. Dan. I will give 10. If I can give 100, I will give. Because our rank is only 1 to 10. Alright. It's depend if I like or not. Oh, it's depend of me. It's not like that, guys. It's depend how they deliver the music, because some people, they know how to sing. Some people, it's little bit, maybe it's not suit for them or like this. But for me, I like this music, and also I like this family. My God, it's amazing. It's all talented, That family is so talented. Alright, guys. I hope that Mission Soul is it's going more music, and also to become famous soon. Alright, guys, because I think that Mission Soul is still new, but it's good. Alright, guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Okay, guys, and see you my next reaction again to Mission Soul. Hopefully, somebody again is, they will comment again and again. Alright, guys, and don't forget to share to everyone. Alright, thank you, bye, and masalama. I love you all.